Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox wireless headset over to your computer so you can hear the audio when you're playing games on your Xbox Series X on your PC. So a lot of times I bring up YouTube and I'll listen to that at the same time. So let's go on down to settings right here and select this. So let's select settings right here, go to the Windows button right here. Settings, open this up. And then let's drag this on over to the left. And boom, make this full screen and go to Bluetooth. And then go to the right. So my Xbox wireless headset is already connected on here. You can see it's connected, mic, audio. But we want to go to Add a Device. Then go to Bluetooth on top. And then it's searching for a Bluetooth device to connect to. Go to your Xbox wireless headset and turn it on by pressing this button once. The light is on. Then hold down this button for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This light is going to be blinking. And when it's blinking, it should show up under this section right here. Add a device. All you have to do is select it now. And you'll be connected to your Xbox wireless headset. So mine's already connected, like I said. You can see it's right here. So I'm going to connect to it. And I can see the battery life connected, and I can hear all audio from my PC on my headset when I'm playing on my Xbox, etc. And then I should be good to go. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.